Cool.
This bike I'm so much more comfortable on than that red one.
Really?
Because the red one
It's
didn't
smaller.
have regen.
No,
So
not
I
at all.
couldn't run it like an engine brake.
Yeah. I'm still chasing wheelies a little though.
You just gotta
So, Nene.
fucking just send it.
Oh yeah.
They were pissed.
Were they mad?
They were fucking
They told me, come on, pull it up.
It's Suron, S-U-R-R-O-N. About 4,500. Oh, bro, they're so much fun. S-U-R-R-O-N. And then the website you're going to want to order it from is Luna Cycle. Bro, these things are so fucking legit. Yeah. I got a big battery and a big controller. This thing will do about 80. Yeah. Yeah. Pretty much you can ride them on Riverwalk and shit. Don't miss that shit. Alright, man. Take care.
Everybody's always asking something
Dude,
about them.
everywhere we go down here, we get stopped by people. I'm gonna start making like little business cards and be like, "Here you go." If we could be like, if we could get like a deal to buy them, I got plenty of people that are like,
Yeah,
"Dude,
no shit.
fucking sell them and I'll buy them." Bro, you're gonna have so much fucking
Yeah,
fun
I
on.
ride four-wheelers in the street like a pet.
Yeah.
But y'all gonna catch me out here one of these days. What it was. The extra battery's $2 grand.
You can find them used. Like I was sitting at home brand new for like 800 bucks. Dude, everybody is like, "Yo, I'm gonna fucking buy one." I don't know where it is, but there is one somewhere around here.
Yeah.
It's right there.
Oh, really? No shit.
Found it.
Where is it? I don't even see it.
Right there.
Oh, right there. Okay. Well. What timing, huh? And riding for like 2 hours, I think. From like 7 till 9. I'm down to what? 75, 80, 77% battery. 2 hours. Could be like quite a few hours on a battery.
It's like that on the bike. Yeah, it's like that on the big bike too, though. Like when you're going on the road and your wheels spinning, it's so much easier.
You can do stuff on this that you can never do on your motorcycle.
No shit. Hell yeah. I've hardly even ridden either one of my bikes inside this. I just drive them just to keep the batteries charged. They just sit in the garage now.
Dude, that's how it goes, bro. You can't take your other bikes anywhere that you can go on these things.
Nope.
I see you and John go ride like every evening.
Pretty much, once
Bro,
in a while.
If it ain't raining tomorrow, I'll come out your way.
Really?
Yeah.
Cool. Awesome.
Oh shit, is that like a motorcycle?
It's like a dirt bike, pretty much.
And these, all of them are?
Yeah.
Do you mind me asking, like, approximately how much is something like that?
Stock
I mean,
ones,
these are probably a couple grand, right?
stock one's about 43 to your door, and then once you start modifying, like I'm about 65 in this. My one at home is like almost 9 grand, but this will do like 80.
They're pretty, oh shit.
Yeah, those will do about 45, which is still plenty fast.
And you can just drive them wherever?
Dude, nobody gives a
They're
shit.
electric. They're electric bicycles.
Yeah. Holy cow. Those are awesome. Thank you, guys.
Yeah, man,
Yeah.
take it easy. You ain't been out to the big city, dude. Everybody comes up
Yeah,
to you.
they
They're
do.
like, what the fuck is
Yeah,
that?
you can't ride that in peace when you're in the city.
Yeah, I told you we were literally at a light. This guy like flagged us over, and then he's literally sitting on his phone. He's like, "Yeah, I just ordered one." Are you gonna ride it in that little group ride thing out there?
I'm going to be on my one wheel.
Oh,
Yeah, don't. If he's wheeling, don't be anywhere near him.
No? Alright.
hey, we gave him the full disclosure.
What?
If you're doing a wheelie, you're up front.
Every
Yep.
Suron ride, he runs someone over.
Dude, where's that controller? Dude, that thing's sick.
Don't worry about it.
Bro, I would have been so fucking pissed.
I'm like I wasn't like I'm mechanically inclined.
Yeah.
I know.
So you
how
think it was because you wired it up wrong the first time?
No, because apparently because it wants to. As soon as you lean too much, it's gone.
Oh, you pretty much got it though. Yeah. Woo! At least you caught it.
2 times in one night already.
Really? Down by Hyde Park. 5 surrounds. Jolting ahead of me. There you go. Swerving. Oh. Ain't that motherfucker yankee. Oh, there you go. There you go. Is it? Yeah. It's weird.
It just feels so weird. It's not like being on a dirt bike where you put
No.
the passenger peg and then you just stand staggered.
Not at all. It feels so, it's so skinny.
And the bike wants to go all
Uh-huh. Definitely weird. Tampa is so pretty at night. Man, check that out. Sweet. Pirate ship. Been wanting to try. I've been wanting to try to go up some stairs.
Yeah.
Riding for like 2 hours, I think. From like 7 till 9. I'm down to what? 75, 80, 77% battery.
Yeah, that's weird.
I mean, like,
It's like that on the
bike,
Cubs,
you notice
too.
the wheels stop turning and stuff, right?
Yeah, it's like that on the big bikes too, though. Like when you're going.
Riding for like 2 hours, I think. From like 7 till 9. I'm down to what? 75, 80, 77% battery. 2 hours. Could be like quite a few hours on a battery.
Yeah, that's weird.
I mean, like,
It's like that on the
bike,
Cubs,
you notice
too.
the wheels stop turning and stuff, right?
Yeah, it's like that on the big bikes too, though. Like when you're going on the road and your wheels spinning, it's so much easier.